káàbọ̀ o.
ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ mọ́.
mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà bí ìṣe wo mọ́tò yìí bọ̀ ọ̀làrẹ̀ yìí láti ọjọ́ yìí ọmọ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àbọ̀ nǹkan yìí ni.
èmi náà ni.
láti ọjọ́ yìí ọ̀wá wẹ̀yìn wò láti ọjọ́ yìí Fọlá láti ọjọ́ yìí ọ̀tí ẹ̀wá wẹ̀yìn wò.
má bínú.
Fọlá. mo gbọ́ o Fọlá.
kẹ́lẹ́ máa wá wò ó. torí tiyín náà ni mo ṣe wá. ìyẹn ni mo wá wò ó.
èmi nìkan torí mi ṣé kó gbàgbé mi Fọlá. mo dúpẹ́ o mo dúpẹ́ o mo dúpẹ́ o mo dúpẹ́ o.
kíkẹ́ tún ṣe pé mo wá wò yín nìkan mo tún bá yín mú àwọn nǹkan wá.
lọ́wọ́ sí o èmi nìkan tán lọ́wọ́ sí o. Fọlá ta ló ní mọ́tò yìí.
màmá.
sọ rẹ́ǹtì rẹ̀ wá ní.
rárá o.
ta ló wá ní.
èmi náà ló ń ṣe lóòótọ́ ni.
ìwọ lọ ra mọ́tò yìí lóòótọ́.
màmá.
o ti níyàwó ni. ṣé pé o ti níyàwó.
mo ti níyàwó.
o ti bímọ.
àlàáfíà mo ti bímọ àlàáfíà ló wà.
ṣé lóòótọ́.
lóòótọ́ ni àlàáfíà ló wà.
Fọlá o ti bímọ o ti fẹ́ yàwó o ti bímọ wo lọ tún ní mọ́tò yìí.
màmá.
èmi nìkan tán bàtà àwọn aṣọ lórí ṣiríṣiríṣiríṣiríṣi lọ wá kó fẹ́mi nìkan tán Fọlá. Fọlá èmi nìkan tán ṣé pé máa jẹun ọmọ. ọlọ́wọ́n ṣé o ọlọ́wọ́n ṣé o Fọlá lè tọ́ wá wá yìí o ọ fara mọ́ mi ọ fara mọ́ mi dọ̀la kó tó lọ. ká lọ dáná kí a gúnyán ká jìyàn ọ̀jẹ̀ yẹn o. Fọlá ọ̀sẹ̀ wọn kù tọ́jú mi o. èmi nìkan tán. igúnnugún o aláǹtakùn.
irú ìgbéjáyàwó ló pè wáyé kí ló dé ṣé kò sí.
ó sí o ọmọ rí ẹ jù dànù.
kí la ṣe.
kí lẹ ṣe ọmọ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi tí mo ní ẹ bá ń dè àṣẹ ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ dé àṣẹrọ lásán lásán lẹ pa fún mi.
àdéhùn àdé kódà òwú èmi aláǹtakùn ni mo fi dé ẹni tí èmi aláǹtakùn bá sì ti fi òwú mi dé a máa ń dè é ládèpá ni.
aláǹtakùn irọ́ pátápátá lọ pa o. ẹni tí ẹ̀yin dè ń ló gbé mọ́tò ọ̀bọ̀kún wá bá mi nínú abúlé mọ́tò bọ̀bìnrin ló gbé bá mi lábúlé ó sì ti fẹ́yàwó ó ti bímọ pẹ̀lú tẹ́ ẹ bá rí aṣọ tó wọ̀ wá bá mi lábúlé kábíyèsí ọba ìlú kò rírú aṣọ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ̀ ó sì tó gbé ẹ̀bùn bàtàbàtà wá bá mi nígbà tí mo fi ojú rí ẹ̀bùn tó wá gbé wá bá mi gan ẹ̀rù bà mí àyà sì fò mí.
ṣé ó dá ọ lójú pé ẹni tá a dè òun ló gbé mọ́tò wá nítorí ẹni tí aláǹtakùn bá ti fi òwú ẹ̀ dè bàbá làbàbẹ tó lè túkọ̀ sí.
irọ́ lọ pa o. ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́lẹ́ yìí rọlẹ̀ pa fún mi èmi ò mọ̀ pé ní ọ̀dàlẹ̀ ní mi ò mọ̀ pé ní ẹgbẹ́ gàtìgàtì ní ẹgbẹ́ alákìísà lásán lásán tí mo kọ́ máa bò mí láti rí ó máa ṣoore fún mi àṣẹ kàlẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe fún mi ìmọ̀ pé kà ní ìmọ̀ pé kà ní. ẹ wá gbọ́ o fún tẹ́ ẹ ṣe fún mi yìí láti òní lọ èmi jáde kúrò ní ẹgbẹ́ yín.
olórí rẹ̀ máa ń bá wí.
tó o bá tún ṣe àárẹ̀ kan sí máa bú ọ jẹ olórí wo.
tolóyè lè dá. èmi ló fi kárẹ́ ní mú kúrò ní ẹgbẹ́ yín látòní lọ. àdìo ó kú sọ́mọ́ mi lórí. olórí ẹ̀jẹ̀bùrẹ́ o. kí ni wọ́n jà olórí ẹ̀jẹ̀bùrẹ́ ẹ̀ wọ́n bínú wọ́n sì jà.
láti òní lọ mo kúrò nínú ẹgbẹ́ yín nítorí jẹ́ ń pè é nù mo kúrò nínú ẹgbẹ́ yín látòní lọ ẹgbẹ́.
èmi ni ẹ̀dín wọ́n sọmọ lórí. olórí ẹ fi yèdénú o ẹ fi yèdénú olórí o ẹ fi yèdénú. Yóò lọ́wọ́ mi. Ẹ jẹ̀bùrẹ́ olórí. Yóò lọ́wọ́ mi. Fọláò. Fọláò. Fọláò máa dé kẹ́mi. Mo tú ọ sílẹ̀ lónìí. Ibi tá a wí ládé. Tẹ́mi adé tutù. Ló fẹ́ mi sọ̀rọ̀ sí ṣákàṣáká. Ẹni tó bá wá ní kí láṣẹ, òun náà láṣẹ hàn. Adé tutù ọmọ Adérónkẹ́ o. Adé tutù ọmọ Adérónkẹ́ o. Adé tutù ọmọ Adérónkẹ́ o. Adé tutù ọmọ Adérónkẹ́. Adé tutù o. Ẹni rẹ̀ ló bá o. Ẹni tó bá sì di láti. Wọ́n náà la máa ṣe hàn o. Báyìí. Ó wá dá báyìí. Adé tutù ọmọ Adérónkẹ́. Wọ́n náà wá wọ́n mú ìlú.
Hold on, please. Who is there? Hola. Please, have your seat. No problem.
There is problem. I don't even know what is happening. Eh? As if I'm the only one in this world. Why are all these things happening to me? I don't even know what to do again. Eh? Imagine.
What's happening?
I just got to site this morning. And the woman, the owner of the site, just came from nowhere, calling me incompetent engineer and all kind of names. Eh? I'm fed up. I'm tired. She disgraced me. Eh? I don't know. I'm fed up, Jerry.
Don't worry. All we need to do is for us to pray. Yeah.
Good works. Good job we can't find. This one that we even say we should be managing. And imagine see what happened. I was sacked. Eh? Without any notification. I don't know. I'm fed up. I am tired.
Relax. Relax. Eh?
What upstairs am I going to do? Eh? Those people don't have human feeling.
See, when we pray, we'll get to the root of this matter.
But we have always been praying now. Have we not been praying before? We've been praying now. Eh? And yet, all these things are happening. And you are suggesting prayer again.
You see, we continue to pray, my friend. Okay, have you eaten?
Eat. It is a matter of eating.
I just
finished
eating now and doze off.
And you want that to only be said. I'm sorry. Eh?
Yes. Don't go out there and start working as if you are 70 years old. Nobody will cook for you when you get home. Come, relax.
Are you still there? So you are insulting me again.
Why would I do that?
Indirectly, you are saying I don't have a wife to cook for me. It's okay. It's okay.
I can't do that. Let us go and eat. At least eat first. Have something inside. And after that, then take us on.
Not because of what I will not eat. I will not eat.
Let's have some.
I will not eat. Mo ti dé. Báwo ló ṣe ń ṣe yín báyìí? Mo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń gbọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé yín lọ hospital. Màmá, ẹ jẹ́ n gbé yín lọ jàre. Ó yé yín fúnra yín, kò yé mi o. Èyí tó yé mi ni pé the only thing tó yé mi báyìí ni pé kí n gbé yín lọ hospital o. Gbogbo ìtẹ́ ìsọ yóò yé mi o. Ẹ jẹ́ n gbé yín lọ hospital. Màmá, ó dà, ṣé kí n máa gbé yín lọ Èkó ni? Ẹ jẹ́ n gbé yín lọ sẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tẹ́ bá lọ sí hospital. Ẹ jẹ́ n gbé yín jàre. How can I have all these certificates, still be suffering and struggling? I suffer to make things work. I struggle to survive. I have written countless number of letters of employment. None of them has yielded any positive result. I have attended numerous numbers of interviews, all to no avail. What next am I going to do now?
Good morning. What can I do for you?
Please, I am one of the applicants. I have come for the interview.
You are just coming. Others are already there. You can go and meet them upstairs.
Which way, please?
Take the right turn here and meet them up there.
Okay.
Yes, coming.
The man who succeeded at the interview is around now.
Okay, let him in. Yes, coming.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
My name is Fola Akande. I have come for my letter of appointment.
Fola Akande. You, Fola? What are you doing in my office?
I don't know this is your office. Báwo ló ṣe ń ṣe yín báyìí? Màmá, ẹ sọ pé igúnnugún, kí ló ń jẹ́ igúnnugún? Ẹ wo màmá, ẹ má dẹ́rù bí mi o, gbogbo àwọn èdè tẹ́ ń fọ yóò yé mi o, kò yé mi o.
Igúnnugún, àgbà tó ṣe ń tọ́ lọ́ṣẹ́, igúnnugún.
Màmá.
Ọlọ́ṣẹ́ ọ̀ṣìṣẹ́.
Ìwọ tún ní ọ̀rọ̀ igúnnugún tẹ̀ ń sọ báyìí.
Kò lè yọ Fọlá. Fọlá kò lè yọ. Àfi káládà rẹ̀ dáríjì. Fọlá kò lè yọ.
do now?
Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ màmá. Fọlá, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàdúrà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàdúrà.
Ká gbàdúrà.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàdúrà.
Kò tọ́jú mi ò Fọlá. Ẹlẹ́dàá ló tàánú mi kó dáríjì.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàdúrà.
Ọlọ́run rẹ tó ń sìn.
Let us pray.
Kò fi ọ́ sílẹ̀. Wà pẹ̀lú rẹ̀. Ọlọ́run rẹ tó ń sìn kó dáríjì.
Ẹ wo gbogbo ara yín.
Ọlọ́run rẹ dáríjì.
Let us pray.
Tí kúlúkú lọ́wọ́ sí ó sì ṣe é.
Màmá ẹ dákẹ́ kúlùgún wà bí wọlé ń sọ ìyá rẹ̀. Kúlùgún
What is
Kò lè yí ọ, Fọlá, kò lè yí ọ, kò lè yí ọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ bí àti kúlúkú ò lè yí ọ. Mo ti dágbére fún ọ. Mo ti dágbére fún kúlúkú. Àìgbà tó lówó ṣe tó bá pa ṣe.
kí wàá ní ṣíṣe báyìí?
Fọlá, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàdúrà.
Ká gbàdúrà.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàdúrà.
Ìyá.
Màmá, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́. Fọlá, it's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry. Bàbá ní orúkọ Jésù. Bàbá ní orúkọ Jésù Kristi. Ọlọ́run wa, a dúpẹ́ fún àkókò yìí. A dúpẹ́ fún oore ọ̀fẹ́ tí a nínú yín. Orúkọ Jésù ẹ gba ọpẹ́ wa.
Àmín.
A gbàdúrà fún màmá. Gbogbo nǹkan tó lè máa fa ìsàn nínú ayé wa kó jáde dànù.
Àmín.
Mo gbàdúrà ní orúkọ Jésù ní àkókò yìí kí agbára tí ń bẹ nínú ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù Kristi rí kó ṣíjú bò yín. Kó wò yín sàn. Àṣà ti fún wa ní orúkọ tó ju gbogbo orúkọ lọ pé kí gbogbo ikú kí ó máa wólẹ̀ kí gbogbo àwọn kó sì máa jẹ́wọ́ pé ẹ̀yin ni Ọlọ́run. Mo gbàdúrà ní àkókò yìí ohunkóhun tí ń bẹ ní òkè tàbí ilẹ̀ tàbí ilé tí ń rìn àbí inú afẹ́fẹ́ tó yọ yín lẹ́nu ó yá kó jáde dànù.
Àmín. Kunle, can you see another problem? Can you see one of the things I've been talking about? Now Mama is sick now, terribly sick, that we don't even know the nature of her sickness. And what still, she will not want me to take her to the hospital, let alone treating her. And this happened immediately after I gave her the peace offering.
No. What does Mama's sickness needs to do with what you are saying? Eh?
It has to do because it was there after I've given her the peace offering that her own sickness started again.
Don't be feeling guilty about this. Giving Mama a peace offering does not have anything to do with her sickness.
How do you want to prove this to me now?
Even if she don't want you to take her to hospital, God can answer her prayer. God will deliver her now.
What is the issue?
God will deliver her.
Things are not working. Instead of things to work the positive way, things are turned the negative. See, job I haven't got. No marriage, no children, and things are going the other way.
Fola, you are talking as if you are not a Christian. Why are you feeling guilty about what happened now? You are not the cause of her illness. You are not the cause. And it's not because you gave her a peace offering and that's why she's on sick bed. No. See, we will pray to God. We will pray to God.
Of course we have just prayed. We have prayed, but nothing seems to be going forward.
As we go forward, God, Fola, nothing will happen to Mama. Take it easy. Nothing will happen to her. It has no connection, for God's sake. Huh?
Maybe I should just have left her to live a normal life. Maybe I shouldn't have given her the piece of her.
For now, you are not the cause. You are not the cause. And giving her offering is not the problem. Look, things needs to be. Things will change.
See, I just pray Mama will not die. I just pray she will. I just pray she will not die.
Fola, she will not die.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness! Fola!
Tayo!
So it's you!
It's me!
This is amazing!
This is incredible. I can't believe this. So you are the one I pumped
Oh, don't worry.
into. I'm sorry.
No bother.
I have been come see these days.
Where have you been?
Oh, you asking me where I've been? Or I should be asking you where you have been.
I've been around, Fola. I've been around.
You've been around?
Yeah, I've been around.
In this very town?
Yeah, I've been
And
around.
we never even met or come across each other. I'm sorry.
Look at you, you're a big man.
Big man, which big man? I should be telling you, you are a big woman.
You can say that again. How are you?
It's good to see you.
We need to talk.
We need to because
Serious talk. Let
we
me give you my
seriously
card.
need to talk.
I'm not into something. We need to talk. Let me
I
give
can't
you my
even
card.
wait to talk. There's a lot in my mind.
Is this you?
This is me, oh.
I've missed you a lot.
I have missed you too.
That's my card.
All right.
Give me.
I will surely call
We
you.
need to talk.
We must talk.
Please do.
We need to sit down and talk. All right. All right, thank you.
Yeah, bye.
See you. Hey, Mike.
So, Fola, tell me, how have you been doing? How is your job, family, everything generally?
Tayo. Many questions at a time.
Abina.
Anyway, let me start from the first one.
Okay.
As you can see, I am fine.
I can see.
Alright. On the issue of job, you know, when a young man has not got a good job that he really desires, things may not actually be good for him or be as it ought to be for him. But on the issue of family or marriage,
Wow. As big as you are.
but on a general note, I am fine. Thank God. So,
Good.
how about you?
Oh,
How's life? How's everything?
everything has been fine. You recall I traveled to London after our youth service. I came back just 2 years ago after the demise of my father.
Oh, you mean you have lost your father?
Yeah.
Oh, I am sorry. I don't know.
Oh, we have moved on, Fola. We have moved on.
So, how is mom? You just talk about that. So how about mom?
Mom is fine. She still had joy. She's okay, but she's not around at the moment. Yeah, she usually travels to get some stuff, then bring it down to Nigeria to sell. She has a big shop. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That must be a big business.
Oh no, I must confess, it is. It is.
That's nice. Good to hear that. Then, it's been 2 years now. So what have you been doing since then?
As I've said earlier, you know, immediately Daddy died. Managing other properties, since that's what he left for us, with my elder sister. That's all I do.
You are lucky.
Oh.
You are lucky for that to have left such kind of business for you to manage.
God.
are so lucky.
Oh, you can say that again.
So, now I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
On the light up.
Okay. What is that?
Who is the lucky man?
Oh, you really want to know the lucky man?
You know how curious I am.
Oh. Are you sure you really want to know the lucky man?
Of course, I want to know.
The lucky man
Why would I not?
Hold on, I'm coming. Hey, Fola.
Tayo.
Good afternoon. You're welcome. Welcome, sir. This is my small place.
It's good. It's a nice place.
Thank you. So what do you care for? Water, juice, wine, even food. Just name it, rice, and then yam. What do you care for?
Water is okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Yes. Good to have you here.
Good to see you too.
Okay. Oh, it's not difficult for you to locate here.
Oh, about Tato.
Okay. So, what do you want to eat? I have everything at home. I have rice, and then yam, hamala. Just name it.
I'm okay with this.
Are you sure, Fola?
Yes, I am.
All right, if you insist. Please excuse me. Let me get my sister.
Please.
Meet my very good friend, Fola. Fola, that's my sister.
Good afternoon.
Fola, you? Again? In my house? Why are you following me everywhere?
I'm not following you.
What's going on here? No, get out of this place. Get out of this place. Get out of this place. Sister, what's the meaning of that? Fola! Fola! So, sister, tell me, do you know Fola from somewhere?
Yes, I know him. He was the site engineer I told you about.
What is the next one?
Yes, ma'am. It is the cinema. That is the next thing we want to work on now.
The ceiling? You mean you have not fixed this ceiling?
Yes, ma'am. It's because my workers are not on site.
Oh my
Today is
gosh.
Friday. By next week, I will get them back on site. And I will make sure they work on it. Please.
Look at the burglary. I've paid for this burglary for a long period of time. And up till now, you have not fixed it.
Oh, the burglary? It is the weather. The weather is not being fast about the job. I have done everything possible to hasten him up to ensure that he delivers the work on time. But the man is so slow. He's so slow. I don't know what is wrong with him. But I'm sorry. I will prevail over him so that he will be able to deliver on time. Please.
Worry. Look at the security post. You have not done the roofing, not to talk of plastering. By now, you ought to have completed everything. Mr. Fola,
Now, please, you know you made correction on the structure. That is why it is delayed. But, all right.
I made the correction over a month ago.
It's all right, man. I will get it done. I will do it. I will do it, please.
Even the surrounding, look at it, everywhere, bushy. I told you, I want to move into this house in 2 weeks' time. Look at the surroundings. There's no even light there. Eh? There's no evidence that they've worked on this place for the past 2 weeks. Mr. Fola, I'm fed up.
Please, man. I will make sure I work and fast about it so that you can move in 2 weeks like you desire.
Mr. Fola, you have said it. You will take this, you do this, you will do that, you pick all this.
I promise.
Fola, don't do anything on this site again.
How do you mean, ma?
I mean you are fired.
Please, ma, don't do this to me.
I'm not pleased with the level of the work you are doing.
Please. See, I have gone far over this work. I started it from the beginning.
That is fire.
Please don't do this to me.
You are fired.
Madam, please.
No,
Madam,
don't bother.
please. Don't do this to me. That you want to move in, I will ensure that everything is put in place. You won't regret this one. Please, I will ensure that I satisfy you. And you will even be happy. Please. Madam.
So it's Fola. He's so incompetent. Very lazy. You know he disappointed me, I told you now. He always gives excuses. He gives excuses. He was so lazy. It's a total failure. I'm only protecting you. He's not a kind of person you can move with. He's so lazy. He's so lazy. Sister, just listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. Just because he could not meet up with your set targets, was that why you hate him that much? And you humiliated the young man. This is unfair. Don't you have feelings? You even disgraced me. You don't even know him from head down, and you behave as if you know him from a long time ago. I thought you would even say the 419 or something. Sister, I'm so disappointed in you. So disappointed. After all, you would have even honored me in his presence. I'm just so disappointed. It's not fair. Sister, it's not fair. It's not fair. I've looked for you everywhere. Is everything all right?
Everything is fine.
Are you sure?
I said I'm fine.
Tayo, I know you. Something is wrong.
I said everything is fine.
Huh? Tayo, I looked for you in the kitchen this morning. You were not there. I know something is wrong. Is it about that matter? Tayo,
I said I'm fine.
you are not fine. What is going on? I say I'm sorry. I never knew you have anything to do with it. I never knew you know each other in the first place.
That is why it is always good to be good to everyone. You can't tell who they may end up to be.
I'm sorry, you are right.
Besides, was that why you deprived him of that employment? Even when everyone knows he was qualified for the job.
How did you get to know?
He told me everything. And what about the impression? You already gave him a bad impression about yourself. And first impression, they say, lasts longer.
Don't worry. I know what to do.
Are you sure?
I know what to do. I know what to do.
That's alright. So what do you have in the kitchen? I'm ready to eat anything.
Plantain, your favorite.
Alright, so let's go. Get some
Let's go.
Mama, ara yín ti yá. Mama, ara yín ti yá. Ọlọ́run ṣe o.
Dókòó. Ìròyìn ayọ̀.
Ìkọ́ni mi. Ọlọ́run máa ṣe.
Ara mi ti yá. Bọ́lá ara mi
Gbogbo
ti yá.
ojú yín yẹn,
Kò sí nǹkan kan.
gbogbo ẹ̀ ti lọ.
Ara mi ti yá.
Ó pé gbogbo ẹ̀ lè lọ báyìí.
Ó ti lọ. Ó ti lọ.
Àtọ́jú àtọ̀run àti gbogbo.
Ara ti yá. Ara mi ti le.
Ọlọ́run máa ṣe òun.
Ọlọ́run ṣeun.
Ṣùgbọ́n tó wá ṣe mí kàyéfì báyìí, ó ní pé ọgbọ́n wo lẹ dá sí. Torí àkọ́kọ́ ẹ gbà kí n gbé yín lọ hospital. Mo ní kí n gbé yín lọ Èkó, ẹ̀yà nìkanlẹ̀. Ẹ ti sọ pé ọ̀rọ̀ yín kò tẹ́ gba hospital rárá. So bára yín ṣe wá yá báyìí, ó ṣe kàyéfì sí mi lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Ọgbọ́n wo gan lẹ dá sí mi?
Ọ̀la kò sọ́gbọ́n tí mo dá sí. Sọ́wọ́n ti jọ tí ìwà àti ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ wá tẹ́ gbàdúrà fún mi. Ẹ ṣe ń gbàdúrà, mo sáré pé nǹkan kan já lára mi.
Nǹkan kan jáde lára yín.
Jáde lára mi. Sọ pé mi ò kúkú lè sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe ń gbàdúrà mi ni màmí ẹ̀ ṣe ń sàmì. Ìpè nǹkan kan jáde lẹ́fi lọ́jọ́ náà àtìgbà náà díẹ̀ làmì bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí yá.
Ọlọ́run ṣe o.
Ọlá ara yá lóòótọ́ ṣùgbọ́n wà kù sí tó lágbára ló kù sí.
Rárá ògbó ló tún wà kù sí.
Ọlá mo sì ọ́ wà kẹ́lẹ́dẹ̀ àwọn dáríjì mi o.
Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mi.
Mo sì ọ́ Fọlá.
Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mi o.
Kò lè yé ọ ni mo sì ọ́ àfi tí n bá là á wọn lọ fi lè mọ̀. Ìgbà tó fi pa mí tì tó lọ tó wẹ̀ ló wò mọ́. Ìwọ lọ tọ́mọ sí mọ̀kọ́ nìkan náà mo ní tìyẹn lómi ló pa mí tì báyìí tó yọjú sí mi tó ṣe kankan mo sì kọrí sí mo sì lọ nígbà wọmi ẹgbẹ́ nù.
Ẹ wọnú ẹgbẹ́.
Wọmi ẹgbẹ́.
Irú ẹgbẹ́ wo màmá?
Bá wọmi ẹgbẹ́ òkùnkùn lọ.
Ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ ẹgbẹ́ òkùnkùn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Torí tèmi.
Nítorí tiẹ̀. Mo sáà ní kó bá ń di ọ pé ọmọ tí mo tọ́jú tí mo jìyà tí mo tọ́ tó jáde léèwé tó lọ tí ò rántí mi mọ́ ẹ̀ kó bá ń di ọ.
Bí kan tèmi.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni má bá di ọ pé ọ lè yọjú wọn náà ti dé àwọ ká má fọ ká má wí o àgbọ̀sẹ̀ gbé mọ́tò bọ̀bẹ̀ ni wàá bá mi lábúlé tó tún ra àwọn ẹ̀bùn rẹpẹtẹ ó ṣe mí kàyéfì o bọ́ bá rántí ọjọ́ náà lọ́hùn bí ṣe ṣe ìwọ lọ ní mọ́tò tó tún mú àwọn ẹ̀bùn rẹpẹtẹ tó rà wá.
Òun ló jẹ́ kó yà yín lẹ́nu.
Ó wá yà mí lẹ́nu pé ẹni tí wọ́n dé ọ̀nà àbáyọ wo leléyìí bọ́ ọ ṣe lọ tọ́jọ́ kejì báyìí bá lọ bá wọn lọ já bá wọn náà pàdé wọn kò tiẹ̀ sí pàdé ńjọ́ lèmi mo pè wọ́n mo kọ́ wọn jà mo fi kárẹ́ wọn mú mo ní láyé mo bá tí mi nú pàdé wọn máa pàdé rọ́ ọmọ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi tó ní ẹ bá ń di àṣẹ ẹ̀dẹ́ nánà ẹ̀dẹ́ ìmọ́lẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ́ o tẹ́ ẹ bá wá dé ni mo ló gbé mọ́tò wá ó ra àwọn ẹ̀bùn rẹpẹtẹ wá fún mi sẹ́ni ẹ bá dé ra ó ráyè ra mọ́tò mo ṣe bá wọn jà yánnayànna nù mo bá wọn jà mo lù wọ́n bá bínú kó ń bẹ̀ mo ní láyé mo bá tí mi nú pàdé wọn máa pàdé rọ́ bí ọ̀sá ṣe mú àìsàn tí a fi ṣe mí bí wọ́n ṣe dá padà sára mi nù.
Àwọn ló fi nǹkan ṣe.
Mo ti mú wá fi lẹ́sẹ̀ ńlá tí mo ṣe ọ́ ní pé àìsàn tí a fi sí mi lára ìwọ náà lọ tuntun mi sílẹ̀ ìlú àìsàn àti ìgbà fún mi tọ́tẹ̀ wá àtọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ ara mi wá. Ìdí ẹ̀sẹ̀ mi rẹ̀ Fọlá mo sì ọ́ o. Ẹlẹ́dàá ló dárí tèmi Fọlá.
Ẹ má sunkún. Ẹ ṣe mí.
Mo sì ọ́.
Èmi gan ló yẹ kí n tọrọ ìdáríjì lọ́wọ́ mi. èmi gan náà mo ṣe yín. Ó nípa tèmi náà kó nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Èmi gan ló nílò láti tọrọ ìdáríjì lọ́wọ́ mi. Ìdí ni pé tí mi ò bá pa yín tì, ṣe bẹ́yìn ló tọ́ mi ní láti iléèwé alákọ̀ọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ tẹ́ tọ́ mi dé girama títí dé yunifásitì. Ìgbà tẹ́ ń ṣàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí ló ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá yé mi lọ dáadáa. Tẹ́ bá wò ó, ẹ rí wípé bí mo ṣe fi yín sílẹ̀ ní abúlé kò dára tó. Bẹ́yìn lẹ tọ́ mi láti iléèwé alákọ̀ọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí mo fi lọ grammar school tí mo tún fi ní admission lọ sí yunifásitì. Ẹ̀yin lẹ tọ́jú mi tí mo wá lọ ṣe àgùnbánirọ̀ láti bẹ̀ ni mo gbà lọ tí mi wẹ̀yìn mọ́ mo wá pa yín tì. Ọdún 5, 6, 7, 8 èmi náà wá rò pé kò dáa tó. Èmi gan ni mo fà á. Tó bá gbé mo wá ń wò yín déédéé, ó ṣeé ṣe ká má lọ gbé ìgbésẹ̀ tẹ́ gbé yẹn láti lọ darapọ̀ mẹ́gbẹ́ òkùnkùn. Ṣùgbọ́n gbà tèmi náà ṣe títí mo dààmú, ìyà jẹ, irinṣẹ́, mo wáṣẹ́wáṣẹ́. Wọ́n rí rí mo ṣe gbogbo lọ bẹ̀ ní mo tó di wípé mo gbàdúrà ní ipò kan. Ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run ní kí n lọ bẹ̀ ní wò. Èmi náà ni mo fà á. Èmi gan ló yẹ kí n tọrọ dáríjì. Ó ṣètò kó nǹkan kan.
Peace offering.
Peace offering. What is the meaning of that? Besides, what has that got to do with the problem at hand?
I will explain.
Okay. But one thing I know for sure is it is a divine leading. And yours is to obey. Yours is to comply.
You know, we have been praying.
We have been praying concerning your marital issue, your own employment. And as you can see, God will surely show ways. So it is a divine leading. Okay.
You mean this is what God is saying?
Exactly.
As a result of the fasting and the prayers and the waiting upon the Lord that we have been doing.
Exactly. This is what God is saying concerning it.
Concerning my employment, my marital issue, and all other things.
Concerning everything that you have been facing.
That's what God said.
Exactly.
That's what God told me.
Exactly.
I should go and meet
it is for you to comply.
It's okay. Good. Now, understanding the peace offering is one thing. More importantly, how am I going to go about it?
I said I will explain the meaning of peace offering.
Yes, you said so.
Offering, you both know the name. When it comes to the issue of peace offering, it's when you are looking at peace that to someone or to something. To make peace, especially someone is angry with you. By the way, fella, is there anyone that has been long that you visited last? Is there someone so close to you or you? Anyone at all?
The only person I have now that I can think of, she's like a mother to me. And that's my father's sister, my aunt. It's been a long time I have set my eyes on her.
Why?
It's a long story, Jerry. But let me just brief you for the sake of this discussion. You see, I actually didn't grow up to know my biological father and mother. I grew up to know this woman as my mother. She was the one who took care of me, who was responsible for my feeding, for my clothing, for everything. Even till my university days. She paid my school fees, she was there for me. She was everything to me. Until I got admission into the university and I went for my youth service. And thereafter, I didn't go back to the village to see her again. I didn't go there, I didn't look back. I didn't even go back to the village to visit her. Till today.
Now I can see. Thank you, Jesus. That is why you need to make a peace of mind. That is why God wants you to make a peace of mind. Please give me a minute. Just a minute. Fala. Think.
Your clothes? What's the meaning of this?
For now, that is the clothes you are going to put on when you are going to go on. Yes. And also, take it. Yes.
Khaki?
That is how you are going to appear when you go to the village. You will dress with that part.
This is funny. I'm going to go in Agbada, like a big man, and somebody who is successful already. As if I am going. Don't you think this will look as if I am trying to pretend or fake life?
No.
Or even look hypocritical?
No. You are not. At least you have a conscience. You are a child of God. You are not. See, in the book of Samuel, precisely 1 Samuel, chapter 16, verse 2, God instructed Samuel to anoint a new king in the house of Jesse. But Samuel asked God, if Saul knew about this, he would kill me. Do you know what God told Samuel? He said, go to the house of Jesse and make a sacrifice. That's wisdom. Fella, wisdom.
Yes. Wisdom. Okay.
Go and wear clothes. That is how you are going to appear. Yes.
Like a big man?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you just coming?
Yes.
Just now?
No, I have stopped over at home. I just said I should come and give you the feedback.
Listen, let's. So how did it go?
I thank God it was fun. In fact, when she saw me, she was so happy. I tell you, she was so excited, she couldn't even keep the joy to herself. especially when she saw the gift. Oh my God, come and see the joy on her face. She was so happy, as if she has never seen such a thing before. And I was happy myself. In fact, I thank God.
See, that's exactly what God asked you to do.
I have done it too.
Yes, there's no problem. You have done what God asked you to do. Then leave the rest for God. All you need to do now is to wait. Just wait patiently for God. He will surely get to the root. Don't worry.
My pastor!
Fola.
I'll be back.
No problem, eh?
Ice father.
It's fine.
Okay.
Fọlá kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ wípé ẹ̀tàn ládùúgbò ẹ̀tàn lọ́wọ́ àtàn mi báwọn lọ́wọ́ àfi gbogbo èèyàn parọ́ fún mi báwọn.
Rárá o, mi ò tàn yín. Ìdí ni pé Ọlọ́run ló pa láṣẹ fún mi pé kí n lọ rúbọ àlàáfíà fún yín, kí n lọ kí yín, kí n sì mú ẹ̀bùn dání. Bó dẹ̀ ṣe pa láṣẹ kí n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo ṣe ṣe. Ìdí tí Ọlọ́run sì fi sọ pé kí n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà náà lọ́hùn kò yé mi gan. Ṣùgbọ́n àwa má rí di lọ́lọ́run. Ohun tó bá ṣe àti ní kéèyàn ṣe. Ṣùgbọ́n kó má dàbí èké tàbí irọ́ àbí pé mò ń ṣe àgàbàgebè. Ló kàn ṣe wá sí mi lọ́kàn pé mo gbọ́dọ̀ sọ ọmọnú ọ̀rọ̀ kí n ṣàlàyé ẹ̀ fún yín. Torí ó lè dọ̀la kẹ́ má rí mọ́tò yẹn lọ́wọ́ mi. Gbogbo Ọlọ́run gbọ́ pé a ṣe ìtọ́jú bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. So ìdí nìyẹn.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, ma.
Today's meeting is impromptu. I just want to inform you that we now have a new estate manager. He is in person of Mr. Fola Akande. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Mama's food is very delicious.
Really?
Yeah.
But not as delicious as yours.
You can say that again.
Okay.
Ajá mi, ṣé sábà máléjì o?
Àwọn oúnjẹ yín dùn gan ni.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé. Àìrọ́ra ló kú ẹjọ́ rí sí pé yọnu. Ilé ara ẹ ní o.
She's very pleasant.
Ọ̀pẹ̀lẹ́, aya mi. Ẹ ṣé o. Àwọn fámìlì ńkọ́?
Àlàáfíà náà wà.
Iṣẹ́ ńkọ́?
Àdúgbò iṣẹ́ ń lọ.
Ṣé o. Báwo lè wá ní Fọlá?
Màmá, máa ń wò pé títí bí oṣù méjì gbogbo àwọn ètò àti ètò dáadáa torí bí èmi ṣe mú wá sọ́dọ̀ ẹbí mi báyìí òun náà mo ní láti lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn ẹbí ẹ̀ ká lè mọ́ra bó ṣe yẹ ká mọ́ra lẹ́yìn yẹn gbogbo àwọn ètò tó rọ̀ mọ́ ìgbéyàwó bí ìdáná bí nǹkan kan àwọn èèyàn náà ṣe wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ so àṣà ń gbàgbọ́ pé ìgbà tó bá fi máa tó bí oṣù méjì gbogbo ẹ̀ àti tó dáadáa ẹ bá wọlé gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni máa gbọ́ sí ìsìn tá a bá ṣe lẹ́yìn yín bẹ́ẹ̀ náà.
ọlọ́wà bá a lọ́wọ́ sí àwọn ojú ti ń kàn mí o ojú ti ń kàn mí o bí kì í ti rí bébì mi kí n máa gbé kí n máa pọ̀ sẹ́yìn mi ìbejì ni mo fẹ́ lápá.
ẹgbẹ́lẹ́ kó àṣẹ kó tọ́jú ẹ.
ọlọ́run á lọ́wọ́ sí i ọlọ́run á gbàkóso adébá lọ́wọ́ sí i ọlọ́run á fọwọ́ sí i.
ẹgbẹ́lẹ́ kó àṣẹ kó tọ́jú ẹ kó gbogbo ẹ.
ọlọ́run á gbàkóso inú ó sì wà nínú múra sílẹ̀. bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ padà lójijì tí mo lẹ́fọ̀ọ́ amọ́ mi dọ̀la.
a máa tún padà wá kí a máa padà wá.
ìyá rẹ̀ mi ó dáa. ṣùgbọ́n kí ọpẹ́ tẹ̀sán ti padà wá.
ẹ ṣé màmá.
ìjẹ́ Jésù bóyá lórúkọ Jésù ẹ dáa ló mọ̀ ẹ̀ ní lọ́wọ́.
ìyàwó lóyún tọ̀nù gbọ́kọ alárinà wa ń ké kálé.
kí ló wá ń fa gbogbo di àṣàyàn ọ̀rọ̀ tí wàá gbé kalẹ̀ kánú.
ìyá Fọlá ni.
kí ló ṣe.
orí bó ṣe ń pín ẹ̀bùn káàkiri gbogbo abúlé wa yìí.
ṣé ti tẹ̀bù tí ó ń pín káàkiri abúlé ìyún ló wá dùn ọ́. bó ṣe tú kúrò nínú ìdè tá a dé òun gangan ló dùn mí. agbára wo ló lò agbára wo ló gbójúlé kí ló tú sílẹ̀. ṣebí wọn náà mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ ń tá a bá ti dè kì í bọ́.
lẹ́mi aláǹtakùn fúnra mi a máa ń dè ẹ̀pà ni.
bí ìyá Fọlá ṣe wá bọ́ òní òye mi nítorí ẹni tá a bá ti dè nínú kó kú sínú dídè tá a dé sí tàbí kó máa bá rédèrèdè ránran káàkiri ayé ẹ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
wọn èrò ojútùú ayé wọn wọn láyé wọn lò mọ́. bí ìyá Fọlá ṣe wá bọ̀ gangan ó ní òye mi o irú agbára tó ń lò níbo ló ti rí agbára gangan tó lò ìdí agbára ló bá ní ká lọ wá.
kàyéfì ni kò yé mi náà o.
àwa tó jẹ́ pé ẹni tá a bá ti dè ṣebí wọn náà mọ̀ pé tá a bá ti dè.
èmi aláǹtakùn fúnra mi.
kì í bọ̀
adẹ́pá ni.
inú kó kú sínú dídè o tàbí kó mọ bá rédèrèdè káàkiri ni ayé wọn ètí ìlójútùú mọ́. agbára tó lò gan ni òye mi tó tún fi wá lórí láyà tó tún gbọ́n èkó lọ ó tún wá ara tún yá ó tún wá ń ṣe ìgbéyàwó fọ́mọ. kàyéfì ni ó jọ mí lójú ẹgbẹ́ oníyọ̀rọ̀ ni.
kàyéfì ni o
kàyéfì o. kíbi lẹ wà mo ti wọ dé ọdẹ ìwọ̀n gbọ́dọ̀ àríkẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ kú lé o.
ẹ káàbọ̀ ẹ kúrò lẹ ẹ káàbọ̀.
àlàáfíà mo bá yín.
sákò jẹ́pọ̀.
sákò jẹ́pọ̀.
ẹlẹ́.
mo lè fóònù mo lọ ṣe ìgbéyàwó fún ọmọ mi mo ní wàá fún lẹ́bùn.
báwo wá ń ha iyọ̀ fún. kí ni ń pín kiri.
ta ni ó gba iyọ̀ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀. èmi ló ń pín.
wàá tún wá ń pín iyọ̀ fún wa.
kí ni wọ́n fi iyọ̀ ẹ ṣe. ó gbé iyọ̀ sí gbogbo mo bá yọ̀ rẹ̀ lọ.
Àdùnní eléyìí nǹkan kékeré ni o ètí mo mú tọ̀ ìwájú eléyìí lọ iyọ̀ ayérayé ni mo mú tọ̀ ìwá. o ní Jésù mo fẹ́ kẹ́ gbà sínú ayé yín mo fẹ́ kẹ́ gbà sínú ayé yín ká lè kú òun òró òbábùbá tán ìpọ́njú àti òṣì ẹnu yẹ kó ṣe ní oore ẹ ti dé ẹnu yẹ kó ṣe ní àánú kó mú aṣọ ọ̀pọ̀jù kó bọ̀ kúrò lára yín ẹ ti pàdánù ó lè jẹ́ lójú Ọlọ́run ló gbàkóso ayé mi ó lè jẹ́ lójú pé ní ẹ ti ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ̀yẹ ẹ ti parí iṣẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run kan ṣoṣo tó ju alágbára ayé lọ olótú mi sílẹ̀ nínú ìdẹ̀bẹ̀ ti tèmi èmi mọ̀ pé ẹ ti ṣe ẹ̀yìn ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run tó wá gbà mí mo wá mọ́tò ìwà ní alẹ́ ìkú fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbà sínú ayé yín ẹ gbà sínú ayé yín tó gbé Bíbélì sọ pé ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ la fi ṣẹ̀ fún kò sì dáa kẹ́wà nínú òṣẹ́ yìí nígbà tẹ́mi ti bọ́ mo ní kí n mú Jésù náà wá tọ̀ ìwá tó ní mo ti bọ́ o mo ti bọ́ kó ònú àjàgà yín o tí Jésù tó ti gbà mí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ inú òkú ònú àjàgà yín ra yé kò yẹ kí n tó wá síwájú yín mọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n mi ò fẹ́ fi ilẹ̀ sínú àjàgà tẹ́ wà inú àjàgà lẹ wà yìí o Jésù nìkan ló lè gbà wá èmi rèé tẹ̀lé lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná Jésù ló gbà mí ló tú mi sílẹ̀ ọmọ mi tẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ ó lálọ́ tì lẹ́yàwó fún tẹ́ ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé Jésù nìkan ló tó gbà ní ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ la fi ìfẹ́ fún o mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gba Jésù sínú ayé yín o òun ni mo fi tàn wá o ẹ gba Jésù sínú ayé yín o tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ àbẹ́ ẹ̀ dáhùn torí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lẹ́ẹ̀ tó wà ó fẹ́ ní ti sọ tèmi o ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ ronúpìwàdà kẹ́ ẹ gba Jésù sínú ayé yín èmi náà máa tó padà wá lọ́sàn.
ẹgbẹ́ oníyọ̀rọ̀ olórí ọ̀rọ̀ náà fún tọ́mọ̀ ó tiẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀
kí ni tún sọ kí ló tún wà lẹ́nu mi tí ń wí ládùúrún tó ti dàálẹ̀ tó ti lọ kò sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ o.
ọ̀rọ̀ ti pèsè jẹ́.
ọ̀rọ̀ pèsè jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ di hùn.
tó.
Mama will be very glad to see you.
Of course.
Wow.
It's really warm.
She'll be very happy.
Inioluwa, don't worry, you will see Grandma soon.
Is she
okay?
sleeping?
No, she's not sleeping. She will
I trust you. Because we are going to see Grandma.
Yes, so you will see Grandma.
Grandma. You will eat pounded yam. And a 40 room. Ẹgbẹ̀lẹ̀ ṣé ẹ fẹ́ sọdá ni àárín ọ̀nà lẹ wà yìí ẹ jẹ́ kí n bá yín gbé
ìwọ tó dàgbà.
Màmá.
Ó ṣeun ọmọ mi.
Ṣé ẹrù yìí pọ̀ báyìí?
Kò wíwo bíi tí mo ń gbé
ẹ tiẹ̀ dúró náà ìyá àdùn ní kọ́ ẹ ni.
Èmi ni ọ̀dà mọ̀ ni.
Mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà pé mi ì ṣojú yìí mọ́ ṣé ẹ mọ̀ mí ni.
Ń dán ọmọ mọ́.
Ẹ mọ̀ Fọlá.
Fọlá.
Fọlá ọmọ ìyá Fọlá kan náà lábúlé yìí.
Fọlá ìwọ ni àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ọmọ mọ́. Àkójọ mẹ́ta ọjọ́ ti pẹ́. Àkójọ mẹ́ta o.
Ẹ jẹ́ ìbá yín wá kankan
bí kí ló tún wá fún mi ó gbé gì mí lé mi lórí jẹ́ lọ. Fọlá o tún fún mi lówó. Kò yẹ kí n gbowó ìlọ́wọ́ rẹ o.
Oúnjẹ ọmọ ni màmá.
Kò yẹ kí n gbà á.
Ibo lẹ wá ń gbégi lọ báyìí.
Abúlé náà ni mo ti fẹ́ délé bí ìwọ náà mọ́lé.
Ó wúwo díẹ̀.
Kò wúwo bí tí mo gbélé mi lórí. O ṣeun.
Ẹ máa rọra
o ṣeun.
Ẹ sì ní kò wúwo báyìí.
Kò wúwo bí tí gbé lójoojúmọ́ ni wọ́n ti mọ́ra.
Ẹ máa rọra o.
Fọlá.
Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ màmá.
Ẹgbẹ̀rún kan náírà.
She could have fallen down now. Mama, ẹ máa rọra o. Ó dàbọ̀ o. Yes ma.
Yóò dáa fún ọ. Ǹlẹ́ o. Fọlá, ó tún fún mi lọ́wọ́. Ẹgbẹ̀rún kan náírà. Ìkà ọmọ dá o. Kò mọ yẹ kéèyàn máa ti ká o. Fọlá ẹni Ọlọ́run ò pa ẹ̀dá kan ò lè pa. Fọlá nù lẹ́ ilé ọmọ ọmọ dáadáa.
Great mistake I ever made is
to forsake my soul. Frustrations is all I get from all my sweatings. Till I realize I've gone astray from my soul so great. But here I come, seeking your face, be my peace, oh friend. 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 Peace, oh friend.